What's up guys, Craig, Fergie, JKU here. Today I got a cool product. It's a Skidrow Offroad skid plate. This is a transfer case. Every skid plate I have is Skidrow Offroad. They're the best. I love those guys. Small business out of Pennsylvania, check them out. But anyways, let's get to it. The hardware. Scan this QR code for instructions. I think they gave me instructions anyway. Transfer case, skid plate, looks pretty simple. I'm gonna go ahead, look through this and take off my old one and we'll get rolling. It's like a jigsaw puzzle. Alright guys, my GoPro went out, so I'm gonna just show you the end on my phone. Skid plate's on. It's right there. It's really sturdy. Had to put the final touch on. Skidrow Offroad. So yeah, so this goes together really well with the gas, the transmission. It's kind of like a big jigsaw puzzle, to be honest. There's my evap skid down there. I'll do a review on all the skids later on, but yeah, totally stoked. Check them out guys. Skidrow Offroad. Use the code Fergie. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff.